This video shows you turn off app notifications on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If you're constantly being interrupted by alerts, promotional messages, or unnecessary reminders, disabling notifications for specific apps can help you enjoy a quieter and more organized phone experience. To get started, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications. Depending on your Android version or phone brand, you may see an option called App Notifications or See All under the Recently Sent section. Tap it to view a complete list of the apps installed on your device. Now browse through the list and find the app whose notifications you want to disable. When you locate it, simply tap the toggle switch next to the app's name. The switch will turn gray, indicating that notifications from that app have been turned off. From this point forward, the app will no longer send pop-up alerts, notification sounds, or messages to your notification panel unless you enable them again. If you only want to stop certain types of notifications instead of all of them, tap the app's name instead of the toggle. This allows you to customize notification categories, giving you more control over what alerts you receive. Turning off unnecessary notifications is a great way to reduce distractions, improve focus, and even help extend your phone's battery life by minimizing background activity. You can repeat these steps for any app you no longer want to hear from. And there you have it. You have successfully turned off app notifications on your Android phone, making your device cleaner, quieter, and much less distracting.